Hello everybody, in this video we create a sit-down animation and a sit-down blueprint. Right click in your blueprints folder, click the cinematic level sequence and double click. Next go to your content drawer, go to animations and use the default idle set in front of a cube. And click to track, actor to sequence and select your idle. Okay, the position is not correct. We need to position here and here. Okay. And first step is to bring the arms a little bit down. Select the arms and bring down. Select the other arm and bring down. Okay. Go to the mannequin body and click to plus and go to 10. Now we rotate his body 90 degrees. Okay, and click plus. Rotate his foot 90 degrees and bring a little bit here. Click plus. We can as next rotate his body again 90 degrees and click plus. Now go to the front of the player, select his foot and bring 180 degrees and move to the left, to the right, sorry. Click plus, select the other foot, rotate, no, the wrong foot, this foot and rotate 90 degrees and move to the left and bring a little bit back again and click to the plus. Now you can see the player rotates. Okay, here I think we have to bring this a little bit here. Click to plus. Okay, this is better. Okay, and here next step is go in the back of the player and go to 20. Now click here again, bring it down, bring it back. We need to take a look, it's okay. And click to record. Now look, he rotates and go. Okay, set the animation length to 20. Go up and set again this for all keys. Okay, now click right and bake animation sequence. Go to the animation folder, money, and name it sit down. Click OK, export. Okay, next is we select the first 3 keys and delete. Select the last key and bring to 0. Go to the last key, 20. Click to record. Go to, I think 6 is okay. And now we create the idle position. Bring a little bit left. And where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. Record. Bring a little bit right. And record. Now we have idle. Okay. You can do it better. But for this video it's okay. Okay. Right click. Bake animation sequence. and go again to the animation folder, name it sit down idle. Click OK, export, save, close this. Okay, now we can remove and go to the animation folder and look at sit down. Okay, look at sit down idle. Is okay. Okay, next on sit down we check the enable root motion. This is for the motion warp. Okay, next step, we create an interface. Go to the third person blueprints, right click, blueprint interface, blueprint interface player, no, sit down, double click, and we name function is sit down and returns a bool. Name it yes, no, and compile, close. Okay, next open the player blueprint, go to class settings and add this new interface, bpi sit down, create a variable sit down as bool, edit the interface option and return the sit down and click to compile. Okay. Now if we press the right mouse, we set the sit down true, and when we release we set sit down to false. Okay, that's all. Next step is go to the animation mannequin animations, sorry, edit the ABP money, go to the anim graph, no, first go to the event graph here, then here add a pin. We can select get the character and say get sit down, no, sit down, genau, is sit down message here, yes or no, and add a variable sit down, and we can set this here. Okay, so next we go to the anim graph, go to the locomotion, and on idle we can add a state, go sit down, and do this if sit down true. Go back, next add a state, sit, we go automatic, okay, and double click the sit. Yes, now here we use the sit down idle and set to loop animation, compile. On the go sit down we use the sit down, do not loop. Okay, go back. Okay, we go sit down, we sit, and we go back to idle if sit down false. Okay, not bool. Select this here, we go back, compile. Okay, So go sit down, sit, and if not sit down, go back to idle. Compile. Okay, next we start. Okay, if we click right. Oh, sorry. We have to set the root motion in the class settings. Class defaults. Root motion from everything. So check again. No, what? What they do? Sorry. No. Problem is, I think this here. Okay, we disable this for the moment and check again. Okay, go in front of this and sit down. Okay, sit down. Okay, this is very good. Okay, in the next video we create a collision to interact with and share. I think this is okay in this video. Okay, thank you and see you later.